Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this cute crochet envelope with a heart. And I used a G-hook with medium worsted yarn. If this is too fast for you, you can place it in slow motion. There's a link on that down below. The pattern is down below, and there is a playlist for beginners if you are still learning on how to crochet. And this measures about 4 inches across. You can always make it bigger or smaller, just go up or down on your chain count or go up or down on your hook size. You can also close this. You could add the heart up here and make the heart smaller, or you can also add like a little button. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, I'm going to slip knot onto my hook, then yarn over, and I'm going to chain 19, which is 18 plus 1. So yarn over and complete until you have 19. And if you want this bigger, you can make more chains, or smaller, you can make less chains. You can go up and down on your hook size to make it bigger or smaller. Okay, so I have the 19 chains, and I'm going to single crochet in that second chain from the hook. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. I'm going to work a single crochet in each chain across until I get to the very end. So work that until you get to the end. You're going to do a chain 1 and turn, and then in each stitch across, you're going to work a single crochet. Work that until you get to the end. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn. You have 2 rows now. I did this for 24 rows total. So just work this until you get to the end. So I did 24 rows, and then you're going to fold it. I'm going to show you the top of this. So you're going to turn, and you're going to do 2 single crochet together decrease. So in the first stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn, go into the next stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. This is a decrease. Then you're going to single crochet in the next stitches all the way down until you get to the last 2. Okay, and now you're at the last 2 stitches. You'll do your decrease, your 2 single crochet together, and then you'll turn. And then you'll repeat 2 single crochet together in the 2 stitches, and then single crochet. So work that until you get to the last 2 stitches here. So you did 12 across, and then you're going to do 2 single crochet together, and then turn, and then 2 single crochet together, and then work a single crochet in each of the next 10 stitches. So work that until you get to the last 2 stitches. Now you're going to do your 2 single crochet, and then turn, and then 2 single crochet together again, and then single crochet in the next 8 stitches. Work that until you get to your last 2 stitches. Work 2 single crochet together, and then turn, and then 2 single crochet together, and then single crochet in the next 6 stitches. And then work 2 single crochet together, and then turn, and then 2 single crochet together, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then 2 single crochet together, turn, 2 single crochet together, and then work 1 in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 single crochet together, and then you can do 2 single crochet together twice, and then turn, and you can do 2 single crochet together to give a point to it, and then you can fasten off and pull through. You're going to take your bottom all the way to the very top, and you can sew your sides together with your yarn needle and fold this all the way till you get to the edge where it starts to go up on the top, and you're going to take your yarn and your yarn needle and sew this together, and then you'll have to secure your ends. You can turn this right side out after you're done, and you'll do it the same thing over there on that side. Once you're done sewing until you get to the end here, take your yarn needle and weave in those ends to secure and to hide them. So you can take it and sew it in a few times so it doesn't come loose and you're securing your ends. Do that 3 to 4 times. Then you can cut this off, do the same exact thing on this side, and then you can turn it right side out. Now you can turn it right side out. Then you can add your little heart right on the center if you like. You can also even add a little button if you wanted to close it. Grab the yarn through the magic circle and chain 3. And then you're going to treble crochet by yarning over twice on your hook. So yarn over 1, 2, insert your hook in the ring, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and that's a treble crochet. You're going to yarn over and work another treble crochet in the magic circle, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over and work a treble crochet again in the ring, and then you're going to double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in the ring, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook in the ring, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops, double crochet again, pull through 2 loops, so you have a chain 3, 1, 2, 3, treble, 1, 2, 3, double crochet, and then double crochet again in the ring. Grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2 loops, and then chain 2. And this is the first side of the heart, and then you're going to continue on to the next side of the heart. So you have your chain 2, you're going to work 4 double crochet in the ring, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, double crochet, another double crochet, double crochet again, so you have 4 double crochet. Now you're going to yarn over and work 3 treble crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull, yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2, and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now when you're at the end, you have your tail. You're going to grab your tail and pull. Pull as tight as you can. And then you're going to chain 2. And insert in that center hole. Grab the yarn and slip stitch. Then you're going to chain 1, cut your yarn and pull through. And then you can weave in your ends. Take your yarn needle, and weave in your ends on the back about 3 times. I hope you enjoyed this crochet envelope tutorial, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.